This 2025 Forest River Cedar Creek Experience 38DB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nokomis, FL 34275 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Nokomis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.